Hey guys, JP with J.P.BBQ. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be smoking chicken thighs in our masterbuilt, and they are going to come out so delicious. Let me show you how we put this easy recipe together, and I'll show you how to make these chicken thighs like a boss. It's time to get this chicken brined up, and what I got today is a 6-pack of chicken thighs. One has got boneless and the other one's got bones in it. So I'll be doing 2 different styles of chickens. I'll be using the wishbone robust Italian with the boneless, and the robust Italian garlic, both garlic flavor. They're both made by Wishbone. Not sure what the difference is, but we're gonna try them out. As far as color, they do look a little bit different to each other. So this one's gonna go on the boneless, and we're gonna put this one on the bone, and we're gonna put them inside of a Ziploc bag and let it brine for a couple of hours, and then we'll get it inside of our masterbuilt smokers and see what happens. Here's what the first 6 look like. And I'm gonna be using a special rub that I've made before in the past, and it's got a lot of herbs and spices in it. It smells really good, really good. It's what I call my sexy chicken rub. All right, there's the first one. And we're gonna put this robust Italian over here on this side. So let's go ahead and get this one in there. Now we got the bold Italian that we're gonna put in. And this one still has the bone in it. So, all right, here we go. Oh yeah, I like it better like this with a big mouth bottle. And this one is gonna go, I guess, on your right side. So we'll get these bad boys in there. Give them a couple of hours. Watch the temperature rise to about maybe 150, and then maybe even 140, and then we're gonna wrap them up. But that's really about it. Now it's time to get them inside the smoker. These chicken thighs have gone up to about 158, this one, but I just checked them a little while ago, and some of them are about at 138, 140. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this, I can't believe it's not butter, just spray it on just a little bit, and I'm gonna cover them up, and about another 30-40 minutes we should be ready to go. Let me show you what they look like. So that's what they're looking like so far. Man, they look really good. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this butter on it, and cover them up and see what happens. All right, it's time to give this chicken a try. We're gonna start with this side. I don't even remember what it's called, but you know, I wrote the name on the aluminum, so let's see what it is. This is the bold Italian, the one that's on my right side. And then this one right here is the robust Italian. So let's give them a try, see what they're like. Oh, definitely very tender. It smells great too. All right, let's try this one out first. Kind of hard to describe the flavor, but man, it is good. It is really good. It's got a real nice tender taste to it, and really good. Let me try the one with the bone in. Here we go. Very herby, that's for sure. Tastes great. Really like it a lot. Oh my God. That is good chicken right there, guys. This one over here on this side tastes a whole lot better. It is really good. This one's good. Maybe this one, because of the bone that's in it, adds that extra flavor. Had a little bit more fat, more skin on it. So definitely more juice here. And you can see it right here. You can see the juice is coming out. Over here, this one's not as juicy. But either way, we're gonna eat them tonight. And this is my presentation on this smoked Italian chicken, done with a garlic infused flavor in it. Really good chicken. Really did like the way it came out, guys. But besides that, if you like what I'm doing here, do me a favor. hit that button over there on the side and subscribe for me. You could also give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. And as always, feel free to share it with your friends. But besides that, we're out. We're going to eat some chicken. And as always, I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys on the next cookout.